Hello, foolish mortals. I'm Stevie.
I'm Shane.
And we're with Team Creepy Clowns from
TheScareFactor.com.
And we're here at Kennywood Park in West Mifflin, Pennsylvania at their Phantom Fall Fest. We're here where they have 6 haunted houses, 4 scare zones, and a ton of rides that are open all night long. So let's go out there and let's get some scares.
Welcome everyone to the Villa of the Vampire. You now stand at the threshold of this cursed estate, a place where the darkness resides and the creatures of the night are all too real. And one among you tonight will not leave the same as they arrived. For the master's been waiting, and tonight, well, he demands a sacrifice.
You don't look perfect for a cemetery!
Beyond this fellow. All I came is belling her way on. I don't want to be a next victim. No, don't look at Hey!
Get away from the cat!
Whoa!
That's his way to see
Excuse me, human filth. Which one of you wants to leave your head behind? Gertrude needs a friend. Doesn't seem like you're using it that much.
Whoa!
Werewolves. Scary girl.
Ah!
I told you.
Spider webs.
She's following me.
Whoa. Dinner's here.
This is my Wonderland, and everyone in my Wonderland knows their manners and their place. Now mind your heads and go.
That was fun. There's a tea party.
Stay for the tea party.
Yes. Woo.
Where do you think you're going?
Caught me good there. There he is.
This feels like Stranger Things right now. The clocks.
Whoa.
Ooh, there's the This one's pretty long.
2, 5. Do you have a queen?
No queens.
Hi! Whoa!
Oh no. Oh no.
Have you seen the doctor?
No.
He just said something about erectile dysfunction and laughed.
Oh my God.
I can't believe it's wrong.
Oh Jesus.
Oh, look, we're on camera. Why watch me? Let me be me!
Oh my God, I didn't even see her. Oh no, that does not look good.
Oh man.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Stop! No! Get in!
No more. No more.
Mr. Appointment!
Welcome.
Oh my God.
Oculus. I'm so glad you are here to have those eyes of yours.
Oh
removed.
no, I think
Weren't
I'll
you
keep
love to
them,
take
thank
those
you.
Eyes out of your head.
I'd like to keep them.
What's happening?
Hello.
Gonna make some trades.
Please don't squirt my camera. Please don't squirt my camera. Can we get some ice cream? Give it to Shane.
Special half off.
Oh, half off.
And welcome to my home, you poor, lost, unfortunate soul. Tonight, the fantasy world that you all live in comes to a crashing halt. Tonight, everybody dies.
Oh, all right. Holy!
You got me real good.
Now he's looking around every corner.
Whoa.
Oh
this is
God!
Real tight.
I don't like it.
Woo.
Drop. Boop. Boop. Oh no, spiders.
Oh,
Nora's
no.
favorite.
Oh,
my God.
My babies are getting hungry!
Oh no.
Oh no.
Woohoo! Ooh, jumpy! Sis Lord. Oh, Jesus. Did you see him pop up? In all black, just popped up.
Whoa. Whoa.
I always think it's over and it's not over. See? I always think it's over and it's not over. There's the Voodoo King.
Voodoo
Sammy.
King.
He does that all the time.
Whoa.
Jesus.
Whoa.
Holy Jesus.
Whoa.
Oh my God. They're coming from everywhere. Oh, that sucks.
Enough of it. How do you do?
I'm great.
Hey,
Are you drunk, sir?
why would you think that? This is what they call here,
Oh, apple juice. That's some good apple juice.
very good apple juice.
All right, so we're heading into Kennyville Cemetery.
In the cemetery.
Whoa.
Oh man, look at that fog.
That's awesome.
Oh man. Oh. Whoa!
Fresh meat!
Oh my gosh. Well, I hope there's a lady in the lake.
I didn't even know she was real. Whew.
Oh god, oh god.
Oh my gosh.
You have to be ready for it.
Oh man.